Thank you so much for watching this video. My name is Christian and I work under ITkristana Digital Technology. We are a company that offer tech services to clients all over the world. We offer IT and computer services. We also offer writing services. And it has been a very wonderful experience for us migrating our business from uh, our offline base to online base. And Upwork has been a very helpful tool that assisted us to move our businesses online. Okay, so it's really a wonderful place. Um, Upwork gives you the chance to work with a global, collection of clients. By this, I mean that through Upwork, you can be able to serve a larger market. You can be able to provide your services to a larger market, all right? And it also helps you to coordinate the processes of doing business, and then it simplifies the process of doing business right from discussing a contract, discussing a project, to the to communication and then payment. Okay, Upwork will remove some of the stress involved in making making business transactions. Okay, so it's something very beautiful, yeah, because before now people get limited uh, because of their geography, based on um, because of the geography which affect the which affect their businesses. All right, let's just say that you have a business, and then right from the outset you have been serving a local market. Okay, your services may be limited to the people around you or some kilometers away from your location, but now through Upwork you can now reach a larger audience who will be interested in the services you render, and then they will be able to pay you handsomely. Okay, so this is something that is very amazing about Upwork. Okay, so I do help freelancers to get started on Upwork. I assist them um, through the processes of signing up. I help them to get verified. I can then coach and mentor you, so that I'll be so that I can teach you the ins and outs of Upwork. I can help you to be able to navigate through the marketplace. I can help you to um, learn about the best practices and strategies that will help you to stay safe on the platform and be able to attract and retain the best of clients. Clients who are ready to pay you for the services you render to them. All right. So, having said that, I'm going to show you some things you need to know about Upwork uh, before getting started. Basically, this video is for everyone, but specifically, I'm making it for those who are yet to sign up on Upwork. I mean, first comers, beginners. Okay, so that by the end of this video, you'll be able to know about what to expect when you're about to join Upwork. If you have had a company before now, Upwork will help you to accelerate your delivery and help you to grow your business seamlessly. Okay, you can do that through the Upwork agency account, which will be created right after you create your major freelancing account. All right, so let's just say that I've never had an account with Upwork. I could have signed up, but I already have an account with Upwork. So basically, what I'm going to do is to sign in on Upwork. All right. If I sign in on Upwork, I will show you all the sections of Upwork of Upwork of a typical Upwork profile, so that you know what to expect when you come around to join the platform. All right. So everything is the same. Okay. Everything is the same. All right. So this is just an overview of what Upwork is all about. Okay. There is so much more about them that you'll learn later. Okay. So let's get started. I'm just going to log in. I've already logged in before, so my profile will appear. Amazing. So this is this is an overview of a typical Upwork profile. All right. So as you can see, this is my profile. This is my profile picture. Okay. Sorry, this is my profile picture. This is my name. Then this badge indicates that I have been verified. I'm going to talk about this later. This is my job success score, JSS. This is my location. They usually put your country and your city only here. Then this is my local time. All right. So this is my profile title. This is my profile title, right? This title is really important when it comes to the SEO of your profile on Upwork. Okay, so this is my okay. Let me change this to public view. Yeah, so let me change it to public view. Give me a minute. All right. Okay, so back to it. So this is my major profile. All right, and this is my profile title. It's very important that your profile title captures what you actually do, because most times Upwork uses your profile title to match you with potential jobs. So that most times you don't basically need to submit proposals, but you get invited for jobs. Is because, okay, like, for instance, when a client posts a job and then the keywords in the job description or the job title captures your Upwork profile title, all right, or whether they when they're the same. Okay, okay, let me just break this thing down for you. When a client posts a job about personal statement slash SOP writer, if personal statement slash SOP writer is the title of the job, all right, and on your Upwork profile title, you have personal statement slash SOP writer, all right. If since they're the same, okay, there is 100% assurance that Upwork will match the job title with your own profile title, and then suggest your profile to the client as a potential as a potential freelancer who can do that job, because your profile title and the job title match. Okay, so they believe you are the best option for the job. So this is why you need to make sure that your profile title captures what you do. Okay. There is so much more to this, but we'll get to that later. Okay, so this is my main profile. This is my specialized skill profile. Specialized skill profile in content writing, then specialized um, skill profile on editing and proofreading. So aside from your major profile, Upwork gives you the chance to add two other sections or two other profiles where you showcase your other skills. Okay, so that's that. So this is where all your stats, your statistics show. Basically, what they display here are your total earnings, your total jobs, and then the total hours you have worked. Okay, so scrolling down, this is your profile description. This is the title. This is your hourly pay. All right, you can always change your hourly rate. to anything you want. Okay, this is where you can copy your profile link. Okay, if you click here, you can be able to copy your profile link and then share with anybody. All right. So this is your intro. This is your intro video. You can use any technology you like to make an intro video. Intro video is just a way for you to tell your client quickly what you do. So some of them that are not ready to read your profile description, your services description, can just click on the video and see everything about you in few minutes. Okay. So either you video yourself talking, describing what you do, or you create a sample of your work, or you just prepare any video. Just make sure that the video reflects what you actually do. Okay, so I'm gonna play this so you have a look. Okay, I play this. Um, okay, so this is my intro. Okay, this is my intro video. This is where your availability shows. This is hours per week, more than 30 hours per week. That's the option I chose here, which means I can work more than 30 hours per week. So if there is any job that is over 30 hours, I can I can still do it. All right. So you can set your own availability to less than 30 hours per week, but my own is 30 hours plus per week. Which means I can work on jobs that requires me to be available more than 30 hours per week. Then this is languages. Okay, this is English. Um, I'm a native or bilingual speaker of English, and so you can choose any other language you want here. They give you this chance to choose and they give you the chance to choose as many languages as you can speak. But it's always best for you to pick the ones you really speak perfectly, and then you think that is necessary when communicating with the kind of clients you are looking for. Um, maybe you speak French, but you like to be doing only jobs in English, so you just select English. So this section is for verification. All right. After signing up on Upwork, the next thing you have to do is to get your profile verified. Okay. Um, I'll still talk about verification in a few minutes from now. So I'm going to skip this and move down. So this is a section where you fill up your educational history. Okay. All the institutions you have attended before now, you fill up the details down here. You fill them up, all the universities, all the colleges, all the institutes you have attended, you fill them up here. Then when I scroll down, you can see this is a portfolio section. Portfolio is just like showcasing samples of the works you have done before, mostly in pictures. Okay, so like me, these are the jobs I've done before. So I included them in my portfolio so that clients can actually go down here and see works you have done before. If it matches what they want, they get you. So clients can actually come down here, and if they look at those samples and it matches what they want, they can hire you. Okay, so it also helps to convince them about what you do. Yeah, because most times they don't basically hire you through your proposals. When they're searching through Upwork, they can stumble on your profile and take a quick overview of your profile. Then, if it's very convincing, most especially when they come down to portfolio and see amazing things and beautiful things, work you have done before, and they believe what they have is similar to what you have done before, they quickly hire you. I must tell you that one of the best strategies to survive on Upwork is getting hired even without submitting proposals. Yes, because most times submitting proposals can be very tasking. So it's always good to make sure that your profile is very amazing so that you just get hired from time to time without you having to, compete with other freelancers, crafting and submitting proposals, getting rejected, and then um, and all these challenges that most freelancers meet on Upwork. So this section is for project catalog. A project catalog is just like um, preparing a typical service you can offer to a client, packaging them together into a box. Okay, so that okay, just like a canned product or packaged product. Okay, everything has been, arranged. You just package them into a carton, you give it to the customer, and the customer pay you. Okay, so that's how Upwork project catalog works. So if there are some services you render that you already know the specified cost, what to charge the client, and you have already defined the scope of the services. You already know the expectations, the turnaround time, um, the the scope of the work. Okay, so you just put them together. The title, you get a very nice title of a typical service a client will need. You get a description of the. Sorry, I'm going to open this. Let me just show you so that you see what it looks like. Okay, there is another way to earn on Upwork, your project catalog. Um, okay, so take a look at this. So this is a project, one of the projects that are prepared on Upwork. So this is the project title. Okay, you will get the best personal statement and SOP for university admission. Okay, so this is it. So a project is just like a package, a packaged service. Okay, that you have already included the price, you have included the expectations, you have included the delivery time. Okay, this is 2 days. Standard is 3 days. Advanced is 4 days. Okay, so you have packaged your services into one unit. Okay, you have a title for it. You have a title for it here. You have pictures and videos for it right here, and even samples of the work you have done before attached. Then you have a description for it. Excuse me. And you have a description for it so that when clients click on this project, they just go straight to the description. They read everything about it. They go down to the industry, check the language of the project, um, look at the extras here, look at the expectations, look at the delivery time, and all other details. They can also look at the frequently asked questions, and then, through all these facts, they can be able to learn about how you work, what you need, and then it also help them to prepare questions for you if they have any. Okay, so let me just get back to this. Okay, so project catalog is a packaged service. Okay. Here I'm an SEO optimized website content writer. So basically, if a client clicks and buy this project with all the set expectations and delivery time and then amount attached to, so what the client just need is to click and buy the project. Then I will work based on the requirements he has provided. When I'm done, I submit the project and get paid. Okay. Um, Automatically you don't really need to bid price with the client if the person buys a project because I've already set the cost. So the person will just select the plan he or she wants, and then pay here, and you get started. A minute. Sorry for that. Okay. Also, there are a lot of projects that I've prepared in my project catalog, as many as 10. So I think Upwork gives you the privilege to prepare more than 10 projects at a time. Okay, so this is the certification section, um, where you showcase the certificates you have obtained in those particular areas that you render services. Okay, so I'm an IT specialist and I got certified by Google, and then I also got certified by Microsoft Office Expert. So there are many more certifications here, much more professional certifications. So whenever you are ready to get started, when you reach this section, you'll be given the chance to search for a particular certification. Okay, so if the the ones if you have received a training or some certifications in some areas and they're not here, you can add a custom certification. By that I mean that you can directly type in the company, you can directly type in the title of your certification, the year, and the description, and then the provider. So done with that, this is the employment history section where you showcase um, your past, your employment history, the company that got you employed, the kind of services you render to the company, whether in the past or ongoing. So basically, I advise freelancers to use this opportunity to capture the attention of the client. Try to make sure that this employment history mirrors what you have here, mirrors the kind of services you offer, so that when they come down and read your employment history, so that you can be able to tally with your description. If it's in writing, sorry for that. If you specialize in writing, make sure that your employment history captures writing. But uh, it's not that compulsory. You can always put anything you want here. If even if this current services you offer does not tally with the kind of work you did in the past, there's no problem. Okay, but this is just for you to. This is where you put all your employment history, as many as you can. Then other experiences that are not even related to the services you render now. It can be maybe you did some voluntary services elsewhere. You partook in a program. You did some research. You researched on something. Just anything, any other experience you have had that is not quite related to your professional life. You can just add them here. All right. So coming up here, this is just your work history. These are the jobs I've done in the past. These are the jobs I've done in the past. Then this is the job that is in progress. Okay. So this is basically what my profile looks like, what any person's profile will look like. Sorry for that. Um, okay, so we have drop down options here. When you hover over find work, you see find work, saved jobs, proposals. This is where all the proposals you have submitted appear. This is your profile where we are now. This is your stats. I'm going to open the stats. This is your project dashboard, proposals, saved jobs. Okay, so this is stats. Oh, sorry, still loading. Okay, so this is your statistics. This is your job success score. They usually update this um, in 2 weeks. This is your 12 months earning. This is your this this place shows how satisfied, how satisfied, sorry, your clients are over your services, okay? Then this is long-term clients. This indicates long-term clients, those you have worked with for a long time. You know, it's actually plays a whole lot of roles in your um, promotion on Upwork. The more long-term clients you have, the more trustworthy your skills are, and then Upwork will have this feeling that you must have been an excellent freelancer. So you stand a chance to be quickly promoted when you maintain a long-term work relationship on Upwork than when you just do a contract for maybe 1 or 2 weeks and then the clients don't come back. That's why it's very important that when you get to work on a project for a client, try to deliver a perfect job. So a person will come back for you and keep on adding more milestones. And the more the milestones, the more the work lasts longer, and then the more you earn, and the more your long-term clients statistics increases. So this is account hold. So please, account hold is just like excuse me, account hold is just like a kind of punishment. Okay, when you have an account hold, uh, if it's one account hold, it means that you will not be promoted, on Upwork for a period of 90 days. All right. So account hold indicates that you're under some restrictions or that you've been punished because you trespassed Upwork terms of service. Okay, you can see here your account suspensions or performance notifications in the past 90 days. So when your account is suspended for a particular crime you committed on Upwork, you have an account hold. If you committed one crime, they can give you one account hold. If you commit another one, they add another account hold. So assuming you have two account hold, it means that you have been warned seriously 2 times or restricted 2 times, and you have to wait for, if it's one account hold, you have to wait for 90 days for the ban to be lifted. Even if you have an account hold, you can still work. But one thing that is very bad about having an account hold is that you don't get to be promoted. Assuming you deserve some promotions like rising talent or top rated or top rated plus, you have to wait till you serve your terms, till the 90 days or 180 days or 270 days, depending on the number of accounts you have, to expire before you get promoted. Then this is top rated eligible weeks. The weeks will start counting when you have crossed the 90 reached or crossed the 90% job success score threshold. So that's when your top rated eligibility works. And for you to become top rated, you must have worked on the platform for 13 out of these 16 weeks. Okay, so this is communication. Your reply within a day is very important. You always respond to jobs. Responsiveness, less than 24 hours, I always respond quickly. Then your reply within a day, I always respond quickly. As messages are coming in, I'm responding to the clients right away. So this is marketing effectiveness. All right, just as the name implies, it indicates those things you hear indicate your marketing activities. Okay, how effective do you market your services within and outside of work? Okay, so this is number of times I was viewed. This is number of times I was. This is the statistics of. This is the kind of a measure of how many times or how often or how many times I was my profile was viewed either by non-Upwork clients or Upwork clients. The number of times I got interviewed, number of times I was hired. So this is like a scale, comparing number of times I was viewed to number of times such views resulted to interviews, and then it also compares it with the percentage of how often I was hired after the interview. So I was viewed, I was interviewed, I was hired. So each of them represent different section of your marketing effectiveness. So you have to pay rapt attention to this as you market your profile and services of the platform. Everything will. Oh, please, sorry for that. I'm having cough. So so this is your marketing effectiveness, and this is your a kind of a graph quickly showing the statistics of the views on your profile. Okay, as you can see, profile views. Um, they count. They update this in 7 days. Okay, so like December 13th, I was viewed 3 times, three. Then it came down. By 10th of January, I accelerated my marketing effectiveness, and I was then viewed 8 times. Then on 17th, I got viewed 19 times. So you can see how it was like on a straight path here, then it dropped, then it came up, then it rose again. Okay, because I increased my marketing effectiveness between January 10 and January 17, because when I saw that my marketing effectiveness reduced because I was actually on Christmas holiday, as you can see. So I wasn't highly effective on Upwork, and I did not market my services that much. So, but between January 10 and January 17, when I returned from Christmas and New Year break, I increased my marketing effectiveness, and the statistics rose. Okay, so that's just that. Then project list. This is where all the projects you have prepared appear. Okay, you can just click and view anyone you want. Then this is consultation. This is a very new feature on Upwork. Once you sign up and set up your account, if you're qualified to have a project portfolio, Upwork is going to get you invited to do that, or it simply appears on your dashboard whenever you log in. Okay, let me just show you that. Then proposal. This is a collection of all the proposals I've had in recent have submitted in recent times. Okay, this is submitted proposals. This is active proposals, and then when you are invited for an interview, it appears here. Offers that are still existing that appear here. That is offers that you have not accepted. Then referrals. Most times, when a freelancer gets a job, Upwork will give you the chance to refer the job to somebody else, okay? To push the job to somebody else, someone else who can do it, especially when you don't have the chance or it's something you cannot do. So basically, when you receive an invite to apply for a job and you think you can do that, you just refer the job to another person, either using the searching for the name on Upwork, or using the person's email address, or copying the person's profile link and pasting on a there is a prompt that will appear. When you key in the person's email address or the person's URL or the freelance, or you can actually search using the freelancer's profile name. And when you have found the right person you want to send the job to, you just click, and Upwork will now send the invite to that freelancer. Okay, so this is archived proposals. Okay, archived proposals, those ones that you are done with. This is archived interviews. I'm done with this. I decline these, so they archive them here. Okay, so this is your My Jobs tab, where you see your jobs or your contract and your work diary. Then this is your reports overview, my reports, billings and earning, connect history, certificates of earning. Then this is your messaging section, where you see all your messages. Okay, so this is that Upwork consultation project I was talking about before. Okay, so if you're eligible for this, Upwork will let you know so that you set up a consultation project. Okay, so this is where you see all the works, all the jobs that are available for you to apply. You can quickly come here and search for jobs. This is your feed. This is best matches. This is most recent, and this is saved jobs. All right. So the dashboard appear differently on smartphones, but they're still the same. You can actually apply for jobs and do most of the things you do on the platform using a laptop. Same thing you do using your laptop, you can also do them with your phone. Okay. The only difference is that the interface doesn't look alike because this is a larger screen, while smartphones have small screen sizes. Okay, great. So this is my messaging section. Whenever you are chatting with a client, your conversations appear here. Okay, you can as well click here to view the proposals you submitted or to enter the contract page. You can click here to record with Loom. This is a new feature on Upwork. You can click here to schedule a meeting with the client if it's needed for you to do the job. So this is where you find all the jobs available, job posts that you can apply to. Okay, um, we have done this. I've showed this your project. This is your profile. I think we have done this. All right. So basically, I help freelancers to set up and fill up their profiles, right? In the sense that I'm going to craft attention grabbing and SEO optimized profile title and services descriptions. It can also help you to prepare resources you need to make your make your project catalog. Okay, I'll get you nice and good pictures, images, videos, and then even work samples if you want. I will help to pick the right skills for you. I'll help to get resources you need to to prepare your portfolio. um, and then okay, that's for my it's part of the mentoring and coaching services. Okay, but basically, I'll help you to get verified. Then, if you return for the mentoring and coaching, I'll then be able to get you a very nice profile title and services description. However, however, when you are signing up on Upwork, you'll be given the chance to choose all these to input all these details, including your profile title and description. You'll be given the chance um, to input the details. There will be a column where you input your profile description. There is also a column where you type in your services description. While you are setting your profile up, if you already have a prepared profile title, you just copy and paste in there, or you write a new one. If you already have a services description, you copy them, copy it and input into the column provided, or you quickly write it directly into the column provided. All right. So you can also skip all these steps. You can also skip all these steps when you are signing up, so that later you can now come down and then fill them up. Okay, so it's pretty easy to do all these things, right? It's very easy to sign up and get started. All right, so let me know once you're available for us to get started. Of course, I'm going to tell you the cost of my services. Um, as I've told you before, even if I've not told you before, I help freelancers to get verified on the platform, and then I can mentor and coach you so that you can stand out on the platform, be able to write award-winning proposals that will attract clients. Be able to, I will teach you the ins and outs of the platform. I will also teach you how to survive and thrive on the platform, how to maintain a healthy work relationship with your clients so that they will continue coming back for more jobs, right? For more contracts. So I don't think I didn't show you this. So this is hours per week. Okay, okay, I showed you this. Then this is your profile visibility. It's very important that you make it public. If you want to be discovered on the platform, make it public. If you want only Upwork users to discover you, it means that people cannot click, people cannot find you on Google. You choose this. Sorry for that. Then if you want your profile to be private so that nobody will find you at all, most times Upwork will automatically put your profile on private mode when you have been absent from the platform for a long time or when you're under some restrictions, they'll put it in private. But always leave your profile visibility public when you are actively working on the platform. Please always check your visibility because sometimes Upwork can automatically put it in Upwork users only or on private mode without your knowledge. Okay, these are like your services categories. It's very important, please. There are a lot of categories on Upwork. Okay, so you have to choose your category. Okay, there are a lot of categories on Upwork. You have to choose your area of specialization. We have accounting and consulting. We have customer service. We have um, data science and analytics, design and creative. Okay, so when you are signing up, this dash something similar to this will appear so that you choose your major area of services. Okay, you can even narrow it down to the particular services you offer. This is Lego, this is sales and marketing, translation and writing. Yeah. Okay, okay. This is just translation. All right. This is writing. Okay, grants, editing, proofreading, content writing, other writing, creative writing. We also have web mobile, and software development. Okay, so you choose the category and the skills under those categories so that Upwork can use your selections to match you to with jobs. All right. So this is it. This is it. This is basically what you need to know about getting started. Signing up is as simple as ABC. Okay. So once you sign up, uh, either I prepare the resources you need to fill up your profile and optimize it. Either I get them for you before you sign up, or I get them for you after you sign up. So no matter how you want to do it, basically what you just need to do is to sign up using your email address and then some other details you need to supply. Then afterwards, we can now refine and then modify your profile so that it will capture your skills and services, and then it can be able to and attract clients so that basically your experience on the platform will be enhanced. Yeah. What my coaching and mentoring program, in fact, generally what my consultation with you generally help you to do is to save you the time and stress, okay, of having to having to wait for so much time for a long time before you can get jobs. Saves you the cost of buying connect every time. It help you to get more jobs, high paying jobs, help you to get the best of clients, and help you to you know refurbish your profile so that it will look so professional. All right. So thank you so much for the time you have spent watching this video. Um, Please reach out to me so that we can discuss more. There are some things that perhaps I did not talk about in this video or I did not show you. Kindly reach out so that we can discuss more about those things. Signing up is very simple, but polishing and refining your profile, getting it SEO, making it to be SEO optimized so that you can quickly get jobs, so that your profile, title, and descriptions and services will be captured by the Upwork algorithms. When your profile is visible and can be captured by the Upwork algorithm, it increases your chances of securing contracts. Okay, compared to those whose profile, title, and descriptions are not optimized. All right, and then remember what I keep on telling you: when you don't get verified on the platform, okay, if your ID is not verified on the platform, this is ID verification badge. If your ID is not verified on the platform, your profile remains invisible and your services perhaps will be labeled untrustworthy. So it's very important that you get your ID verified, which I will help you do. I do verification and then I do mentoring and coaching. Okay. And then I help freelancers to fill up their profile, refine their descriptions, fill up some missing columns, or fill up all these sections portfolio, help you prepare project catalog, and uh, and that's it. Can also help you to prepare your intro video if you cannot do it yourself. Okay. So that's it. So thank you so much for the time. Thank you so much for coming around to watch this video. Please do reach out to me so that we can discuss more. If what you actually need is not here, was not captured in this video, can you let me know? If there is something I missed to show you, can you let me know? If you have more questions to ask me, I'm always available and ready to attend to you. Okay, so once you're done watching this video, please reach out to me so that we can discuss how to get started, I can help you to get started on the platform, either to help you verify your ID, to optimize your profile, or to mentor and coach you so that you learn so that you learn the basic skills to get started and even the advanced tips that will help you to stay safe and active, on the platform. Remember, if you learn from an expert like me, you will stand out. Okay, you will stand out, and your experience will be richer than that of the person who did not learn from a master. I can actually say that I've mastered Upwork, all right, because I've had a very long term experience with them. I've passed through a lot of challenges on the platform, and I made difficulties which I was able to surmount. Okay, so I want to use that knowledge and experience to help other freelancers so that they will not make the mistakes I made, so that they will overcome. They will be able to be. They will be enlightened so that they can possibly stay safe and active and stay safe and earn high on the platform. So instead of them being running into issues that I ran into because I had nobody to mentor and coach me, they will be able to avoid those challenges, those hurdles. They're able to avoid them so that in the long run, they stand the chance to win high paying jobs and then get promoted quickly on the platform. So thank you so much. Please reach out to me so that we can discuss more about this. Thank you so much for your time. I remain Christian. At the moment, I will have to say bye to you. Please, when you reach out, we're going to discuss more about whatever I said here and so much more information that I was able to relay due to the shortness of time. All right. Thank you so much. Have a good day.